Alright, I'm going to show you a little bit of my, sorry about the bounce, video equipment. There's my coffee. Gotta have the coffee. When you're just starting out, this is, well, not necessarily an iPhone 6, but that's what this is the iPhone 6, 6S Plus. Is really all you need. Just do it. Use your phone. I had people for a long time telling me, don't you have a smartphone or iPhone? Just use it. Just do it. And I didn't want to. Didn't want to listen to them. But they're right. That's all you need. You can get started with that. Everybody knows I've recently bought the Sony ZV-1 camera is what I'm using now. And I bought this little case here. It's just a little cheap case to put everything in, just to hold it safe. I got this case from Harbor Freight. I don't remember how much it was. It was one of the cheapest ones. They have some better ones. This plastic kind of looks like a Pelican case, but I didn't get one of them. But anyway, this is, as you can see, this is just a LED light charger it'll charge 3 batteries at one time. There's the batteries, and there's the USB charger for your phone or iPad. I also have an iPad. This is, of course, tripod with those little flexible legs on it. You can use camera or your phone or whatever with your little bases. This is for a phone that extends. I don't know if I can get it to extend with one hand. Yeah, it extends up like that for a phone. And then this is, I think this is what came with the tripod. It's not really all that good, but it works. And then of course you got these two. This one here, oh sorry about that. This one here is like a cold shoe. You put that on the camera or that on your tripod, and then you have one here and one here. One at the bottom, one at the top. You can put like your microphone and your light and stuff like that on it. And this big thing in my hand is what is that? Ulanzi, however you pronounce that. That is a holder for the iPad. It's made out of aluminum. A little bracket there is too, but this is what I was using for a long time is this. I started out, I think I made one video with the iPhone, and then I started using the iPad with this. This is awesome. And of course I got a big tall tripod somewhere, around here somewhere. But anyway, then there's another little tripod there. This one's a pretty good one. It's metal. And there's some USBs over there, and a Rode microphone right here. And then of course that's where my camera goes, and the cord to it's under it. Of course the charging cord for the LED light is under it. And now I gotta put all that stuff back. But anyway, and you're probably wondering about lighting. That, especially with a phone, lighting is the most important thing. You have to have good lighting. And they're kind of bright. I hope it don't blind you. But I added some LED lights up there on the ceiling, and they light up everything great. I don't need to have any. I don't even use that little LED light anymore. I just use those. Those are excellent. I mean, with the door down, I put the door down so I don't videotape or video the neighbors' houses and their cars or whatever, and so they don't think I'm crazy talking to myself. But it gets warm in here with the garage door down too, I can tell you that, here in Florida. But I had to have some light because it's dark as crap in here with that door down. So they work great. I think they was $69. Comes in a set of what, 6 4-foot ones, LEDs. The other one if you watch my other video, you probably was wondering what this white cord is hanging down. That's the other light. I put it on my toolbox to light up my toolbox. Does an excellent job. Actually, it's a little bit too bright, but don't worry about the mess on the toolbox. But the light, I don't want to put too much light in view. I don't want to blind everybody. The light works excellent. I just haven't tucked the wire up out of the way anywhere yet, but I'm going to. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll put a card up to the next, or to my last video. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just to show you some stuff that I'm using. You don't have to use all this stuff. Like I said, you can start out with just your cell phone. Oh boy, there's my coffee again. Hold on. Sorry about that. But anyway, like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.